This is a repair for the battery of a Lenovo 100e Gen 4. The tools required for this repair are the screwdriver from the AGP Toolkit using the PZ0 Phillips head, as well as metal pliers, also found in the toolkit, and a flat-headed metal spudger. I also have a grounding bracelet to prevent static electricity. First, you'll start by removing the bottom screws and the bottom cover. Take the metal spudger, insert it at the corner, and twist while everything pops out. And the bottom cover will pop right off. To start, you'll want to unplug the battery. Disconnect it, slide it straight out as to not damage the pins for the battery port on the motherboard or in the battery itself. The battery for this unit is held in with 4 screws, here, 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 and here. Just start unscrewing. Then the battery will slide right out. You'll then take your replacement battery, slide it underneath the cable, line it up with the screw mounts, then take your screws and secure the battery in place. Then slide the battery cable into the battery port. Place the cover back on. Click it into place. And then tighten the screws. To verify this repair, take a 65-watt USB-C cable and plug it into the USB-C on the left of the unit. Open the unit itself. And it should come on automatically. You can see that the unit itself detects the battery in the bottom right, showing that the battery is charging. This verifies our repair.